A growing trend of Jamaican athletes switching allegiance to countries like Turkey has raised eyebrows, and for good reason. It may look like an opportunity for greater financial support or international exposure, but the truth is, running for another country is not the same. Especially when that country isn't Jamaica. Jamaica's sprint culture is unmatched. We don't just produce fast athletes, we live and breathe track and field. From champs to the streets of Kingston, running is part of the national DNA. Our coaches, climate, competition culture, and community pressure create an unmatched training environment. You can't replicate that with money alone. Language and culture matter. Representing a country where you don't speak the language or understand the social rhythms makes everything harder, mentally, emotionally, and even athletically. You're no longer running for your people, your school, your parish. You're running for a passport and a paycheck. That changes motivation. That changes pride. Brand Jamaica has bragging rights. When a Jamaican steps on the track, the world pays attention. We've earned that respect through decades of dominance. When you switch to a country like Turkey, you lose that instant recognition, that aura. You're not the Jamaican sprinter anymore, you're just another import. And let's talk economics. Turkey is a nation of over 85 million people, with a GDP of $1.1 trillion. Jamaica? Just 2.84 million strong, with a GDP of $19.4 billion. If it really comes down to resources, why can't Turkey build their own sprint program? Why are they relying on Jamaican talent to carry their Olympic dreams? Can Turkey even maintain Jamaican standards? It's one thing to recruit elite talent. It's another to support and sustain the level of discipline, mental focus, and raw intensity that Jamaican sprinting requires. If they can't develop it from the ground up, can they really nurture it in the long term? At the end of the day, switching allegiances might offer short-term gain, but it comes at a cost, a loss of identity, heritage, and connection. No amount of money can replace what it means to run for the black, green, and gold.